my name's Mark and I like talking about computers. And in this video we're going to look at a feature of Flowgorithm that you may not use quite so much. And you know what that means? It's demo time.
So before we look at the Flowgorithm program, let's talk a little bit about Turtle Graphics. What is it? Well, it's used in schools to teach young children the basics of programming and to help them begin to learn to code. The child uses a Turtle Graphics program like this one. This is KTurtle. And we can just type commands in at the console here like this. And the turtle moves forward, in this case 100 pixels. We can turn left, say 120 degrees, and you'll see that the turtle's turned, and if I go forward another 100, and then we'll turn again 120 degrees, and go forward another 100, and we've just drawn a triangle. So that's what KTurtle can do. In fact, KTurtle can do a lot more than this and has a sophisticated language built in. However, we won't go into that here. Let's instead look at a Flowgorithm Turtle Graphics program. Right, so we'll open up Flowgorithm. There we are. And let's click and take a look at the things we can insert between main and end, and look at this. We've got Turtle Graphics. We can go forward, drawing a line, turn. We can set the color of the pen if we want, and then we can clear the screen and send the cursor home. So let's try this with a very simple program like this one. There we are. This program will draw a shape. It asks for the length of a line you want to draw with a turtle, and then the number of degrees you want the turtle to turn through. Let's see the program working. We'll change the view to Turtle Graphics and Console, like that. Click the green arrow to run the program. We're being asked for a length, so let's type in 50. And for an angle to turn through, let's try 90. And see what happens. And there you are, a square. And that's all I wanted to show you. Except for one thing. Remember that Flowgorithm can generate code in other languages, such as Python. So let's look at the generated Python code. Just click on this icon here, and you can see that the Python library for Turtle Graphics has been imported. But if you look at the code in another language, say Bash, you'll see a comment here on line 2. Flowgorithm doesn't generate code for Turtle Graphics. So not every language that Flowgorithm supports the Turtle Graphics functions. So you might want to just watch out for that one. Anyway, let's go back to Python. And let's save this Python code, because we'll be doing something with it in a later video.
So that's another feature of Flowgorithm that you can play with and experiment with. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Let's learn together and carry on coding. Thanks for watching. Take care everybody. Bye for now.